All right, with this video, I'm going to tell you what's the easiest way to recruit LiveGood, how to get people to sign up, how to get people to just be interested and say, hey, I'm going to look at the products. Maybe I want to be someone that makes money by talking about the products. Or maybe you just want to take LiveGood's products and better your health, get your low blood pressure down. Maybe, I don't know, do you have diabetes? Do you want to lose weight or be in shape? All right, check out our products, okay? But what's the easiest way to have people look into the products? And then maybe if they got two $20 bills, if they have 40 bucks, they can be an affiliate, one and done, and earn money like I do. What's the easiest way? Guys, just by inviting people to a page. Okay. Now, you can see on your screen right now, joincory.com. I simply just bought this domain name at GoDaddy for 11 bucks, and it forwards to the LiveGood capture page, which you're going to see. You're going to watch a video, which I'm going to show you here in a second. And guys, that's it. Done. In 1 minute. I've been talking 65 seconds. Guys, I've signed up almost 400 people doing this. Okay, I got a business card at Vistaprint, 25 bucks plus 5 bucks shipping. So 30 bucks. I spent 10, 11 bucks at GoDaddy, and I bought joincory.com. Okay, there was another 10, 11 bucks plus 30. Okay, 40 something bucks. Okay, then for free, GoDaddy just simply forwards to this capture page, which you get. So if you have 49 bucks right now, 50 bucks, you can join LiveGood as an affiliate. Then you pay 10 bucks a month. So 50 bucks plus 30 bucks for business cards. Okay, there's 80. Okay, do you have 10 bucks, 11 bucks for GoDaddy? Okay, 90. So guys, basically for less than $100, you've got a full-blown website. You have business cards and a domain name. Okay, there's other things you can do too, but you know what? Just that $100 investment, that's my system. That's my marketing technique. Okay, that's my to-do list. I just have a little Post-it note. And after I tell GoDaddy to forward to this page, and I just told GoDaddy to go to this link right here, livegoodtour.com/Cory J. Draper. Let's say your name is Bob Smith. livegoodtour.com/Bob Thomas, Bob Smith, whatever your name is. You decide your own username, and you can change it anytime. Okay? So that's how I've been able to sign up almost 400 people. I'm at 399 right now. I'm really excited to hit that 400, and then I'll be at 500 people in 2025. So anyway, that is is it a system? Is it a technique? I think it is, because a system or a technique is just something you do. And if you make it fun and simple, and if you just, I don't know, go ahead and just, I don't know, do what I do, spend an hour. Do you have an hour to do what I do? I sure hope you do, because you can make part-time hours convert into full-time pay. Okay? I only put an hour or two into LiveGood and my other businesses online because I do other stuff. I like to get outside. I like to work on things and even like mowing a lawn. I mean, I have to get outside and do stuff. Even in the winter, even in the summer, it don't matter. I do enjoy sitting, but when I sit, I tend to buy stuff on eBay, as you can see on my walls. Okay? So make this business fun. And please just invite people to the LiveGood Capture page, which is yours for $49.95. Go to joincory.com. Okay? Here's my business cards. You can see them. I'll put them up on the webcam. Can you see it? There you go. So on a street level, I just go, here you go. Go to the link and watch a little video about LiveGood. And if you're interested, awesome, join. Okay? $49.95. Get some business cards. And I'm going to send you a nice email of everything I just talked about. So if you join, all right, I want you to do my system, my technique, my little to-do list. Do it every day. It's not heavy lifting, guys. It's kind of fun. Okay. Thank you for the question. And in 4 minutes and 15 seconds, I just showed you how I've signed up almost 400 people. Okay. All right. Have a good day. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. I'm not shy. Find me on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And here's my next video coming up right after this. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.